How I build the digital manufacturing platform traceability platform in Laravel. So this is the audit log page. So you can check everything in here. So these are all menu. Also report, lot trace, the payment, invoices, product, unit, department, user, dashboard, everything. This is the latest technology I have used in the Laravel latest version 13. Also every technology I have used the latest version in the modern technology. Also I am updating the design fit for mobile and desktop. You can use it at once. This is the actual super admin panel, that means the government's owner panel. So everything you can see it here. So everything you can change it. So check the date is this. Any alert, any expired alert, so it will show it here. So like invoicing bombs is this. Here is invoice, click and update it. You can edit it. Also you can update it. Send a status, so it will change. You can change it. So any changes you can implement it here. What you need. So completely factory automation system, we can handle it. So what's your need, we can build it.